It's something 7 billion people do at night, sleeping. However, not everyone does this as well as they should. We spend 1/3 of our lives doing it, and each day is dependent on it. Sleep is essential for an energetic and productive lifestyle. Knowing about sleep is nice, but isn't it time that we actually help you sleep? Introducing Somnox, world's first sleep robot to help you improve your sleep with the help of intelligent technology to soothe body and mind. Somnox has a range of effective and non-invasive features that work through the night to help you sleep better. Our unique technology makes use of smart monitoring, analyzing, and actuation to provide the ultimate interaction with the user. During the night, you will feel Somnox breathe. The rising and falling sensation of breathing influences the breathing of the user, resulting in a soothed body and mind. Next to breathing regulation, Somnox provides you with sounds that adjust to your sleep. It can play heartbeats, lullabies, white noise, guided meditation, and any audio source you want to, turning off as soon as you fall asleep. Somnox was designed together with many test sleepers, and many prototypes and iterations were developed to come to an optimal solution. Together with our partner Alping, the leading circular bed manufacturer in Europe, we use high-quality fabrics to ensure ultimate comfort. We make the next step in technology that doesn't just measure sleep, but actually helps you fall asleep. We are about to disrupt the sleep industry with our sleep robot. Sleep is important to each and everyone. Sign up now to be notified when we launch and be the first to own the Somnox.